table. Scroll down to the table.
Okay. What shall I do
Click
now?
on that. Click on that 4 arrow box.
Okay.
Go to
Yeah.
layout.
Layout. This layout. Or which one? Which layout? This or
The
this?
layout beside table design.
Okay.
And press A to Z.
Press sort it. Okay.
Click OK.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'll click okay. Good,
And
good,
you're
good.
done.
All right. Thank you very much. So that's actually it. And the reason why we click OK here is because we are told to do A to Z. A to Z is ascending. They said sort it alphabetically from Z to A, it will be descending. But everything is already normally here. And then what we are actually sorting by is a text that's A to Z. It's by text, not by number or date. Do you understand? If they say sort by date, you click on date. Do you understand? If they say sort by number, you click on number. Okay, so that's how we do it. For A to Z is text. Okay, that's very good. Let's move on. It means we are done with this. Let's move on to tax 2.
Sir,
I
can
hope
I
this is
answer?
clear. Tax 2.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to do task 2? Oh, good, good, good. Let's go.
Yes,
So
sir.
task 2 is on the second page below the heading key client. Convert the text to party people, I scream, you scream, to a list with default bullets. All right, so what should I do?
Sir,
Go to
scroll down.
I should scroll down. Okay,
Yes, sir. Stop. Stop at key clients.
okay, key client. This is key client here.
Highlight the policy people to ice cream and screen.
Okay, good.
Go to home.
Home. I'm on home.
Click on default. Click on apply bullets.
Yeah, click on. I should click on this.
The arrow beside it.
Okay, okay, good, good, good.
Click on
The arrow, right? This is
and
the
put any bullets.
okay. I'll click on this bullet, right? This is the default bullet. I'm not supposed to click on any bullet. If I click on this now, it will be this one. But this one is not default bullet. They said to a list with default bullet. All right, so that's why I just click on this, or you can come here, like you said, I'll just click on this, and that's all. All right, thank you very much. That was good. That was good. So it means that any tax that relates
my
to
phone.
default, any tax related to default bullets, you guys can do it. Or if they even say numbers now, default number is like this, right? But they say like this, you can change it to this, and it's like that, right? Good, 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 good. You guys are learning well. All right, back to electrical for tax 3. On the first page, immediately before the codes, we love the you need immediately before this code, insert an Austin code text box. Move the code into the text box. So what should we do now? Electrical. Electrical, what should we do?
Use control home. Use control home to go to the first page.
Control. Hello, control what?
Control home.
Okay, control home, first page. Okay, good. Okay,
Go to the insert tab.
so we see the code here. Right? I should go to insert tab.
Go to the insert tab. Yes.
Okay, I'm on insert tab. What's the next thing?
Click on text box.
Text box. Okay, I click on text box.
Click Austin quote.
That's code. Okay, I've clicked on.
Drag
Is
the
this where we? Hmm?
no. Use your mouse and drag. Use your mouse and hover around the top until it shows you 4 arrows, and then you can drag it down.
Okay, where? To this place.
At the top of the quote.
On the top of the code. Okay. Now, what should I do?
I can't see your screen.
Okay. Is it
Shane
block?
Olashibomi presenting. No, it's not
Huh?
blocked.
What is it?
Click on word. So click on word. Highlight the quote. Sir, highlight the quote and then drag it into the Austin quote. Show me Olashibomi is
Okay.
presenting.
So save.
I'm going to take out the light.
Well, I think we omitted something. For because of time in your exam,
I'm sorry.
what you need to do. Now,
Mr. Shibori.
Hello?
Mr. Shibori.
Hello, Mr. Shibomi.
His network was bad. He left. And you are laughing.
I'm clapping at you. Papa.
Why?
Because of
Hello, Joma. What?
because of Luffy.
What?
Kobe, don't listen to the girl. She has eaten too much. Kobe, why is the chef punching Luffy?
Miss Angie.
Yes.
It's just grabbing. When Luffy is rubber, is then pinching Luffy so hard that his hand went.
His hand went.
His hand naturally go through. He's just pinching him, and because Luffy is rubber, he hurts very much.
Then Luffy should pinch back.
What?
Then Luffy.
They're upstairs. What?
Luffy should pinch back.
He's just pinching his back. There's nothing there.
You pinch my back, I pinch you back now.
This fool, have you eaten?
He has eaten beans and pepper soup.
This boy. Kelly. Kelly.
She likes to cause trouble.
Welcome back to Fashion Review.
Sorry, what did you do? Okay, sorry again. Let's move on. Let's move on. I hope you can. Hello, I hope you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's move fast. I see that you guys are getting this well. Ice cream that. Ice cream. So in what I think was you give I know that one is what number. So I speak outside of it. That is the format of one.
Sir,
So I click on this the format is here. Yeah? Yes, yes, I can hear you.
sir, which one are you doing?
I can hear you. What are
Which
you saying
task
something?
Yes, sir. Sir, which task are you doing?
Yes?
Sir, which task are you doing?
I know see my I not see my screen. That's four. Look at it now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing tax 4 now. See it here, project 3, tax 4. Apply the paintbrush artistic effect to the ice cream graphic. Like that. When you click on a particular object, there is additional tabs, the other tabs that are already there. When I click out selected, that picture format that was there will be removed. But when I click on it again, the format will come out. So whatever property or changes I want to make to this picture, paintbrush artistic effect, the ice cream graphic. I'll click on the ice cream graphic, and then I will apply this artistic effect. I'm almost certain that it's here. Almost certain it's here. So picture in format, I'll just click on it, and then I'll go to where artistic effect is. That artistic effect, I'll click on the drop down, and then from here I can see different kind of artistic effect. Different kind of artistic effect. Who is there? Someone raising his hand up. Okay, no one. Right. But I hope you can all see my screen. Well, though.
Yes, sir.
I need response. Oh, good. Good. So I'm going to the artistic effect. Click on the drop down. The one that is paintbrush. The one that the name is paintbrush artistic effect. I'll move around that and then see which one is paintbrush. This is oh, this is paintbrush. So I'll click on paintbrush artistic effect from here.
That's not paintbrush.
That's what? That's what? That's
So the
paintbrush
black one was not
artistic effect.
paintbrush.
Right picture effect. The ice cream graphic. Now this name is long, right? However, these ones are not the name. So first of all, most times you have to look at the context where say 3D rotation. I mean, this 3D rotation is an aspect or is an aspect of this uh effect, this particular effect. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like what I said the other time
So is it
about
supposed to
properties or things to do. Is it supposed to what? Is it supposed to what? I can't really hear you guys here. Probably my network is saying somehow. Oh, anyway.
Mr. Shibobi.
Yeah.
So I saying that you
Yes,
love
my network is
simulation.
bad. Yes, that's what I'm.
Not the game. Can I even here? Okay. Where's your sister? Stop laughing. Where's your sister? Kill it, stop. Now, where's your sister? Or else I will come to your house tonight.
That one that eats too much curry.
Yes.
I talk about my cousin.
No, your sister. Wait, your cousins
She
are
said
inside your house.
no.
Okay, then where is your sister?
She's disturbing me.
Sorry, eh?
Okay, I'm back again. Network is very terrible. I don't know. So, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'm going to be fast a bit so that uh, you can see to the record. So, you just understand. So, apply 3D rotation parallel. 3D rotation parallel. Okay, so click on this
Sir, your screen
because I'm
is
applying it to this.
sir, I can't see sir, I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. I guess I thought this here. I can see my screen now. Can you see my screen now?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, it's coming up with. Yeah, so I'm sure you can see it now. Okay,
Yes,
let
sir.
me go back.
Yes,
3D
sir.
rotation. Apply apply the 3D rotation
Sir, is it actually supposed to rotate?
off axis one. What did you say?
Is it actually supposed to rotate?
What did you say?
Is the rotation graphics, is it supposed to
Is it
rotate?
actually to
Supposed to rotate.
it's an effect.
Supposed to rotate.
It's an effect. Let me click. I'll click on this under this format. Uh, Picture format. I'll come here to click on picture effect. So under this picture effect, I'll see different type of effect. Then 3D rotation. When you see 3D rotation, 3D rotation is what they are referring to here. 3D rotation parallel. Now under this 3D rotation, then I say it's some uh
Who are
the
you?
kind of 3D rotation is to be
Who
parallel.
are you?
There's no rotation here. There's parallel. There's perspective. There's right. That's a 3D rotation parallel. So it means under 3D, and I'll go to parallel. Then they will not tell me what kind of parallel. Then what is this? Off axis one right. Off axis one right. So I'll hover around this parallel. Therefore, off axis one right. Off axis one left. Off axis one right. So I'll click off axis one right. And then I've applied it to the I-stone graphic. 3D rotation parallel off axis one right. And the I-stone graphic. So I've applied it here now. Moving to find out how to get that find out. So that was the final task. So I'll click on go project and then move to the next task.
Who are you, Mama? Who are you?
Now everything is correct. Let's move to the next one. Project 4. Project 4. On the last page, bookmark the heading World Class Key Result. Name the bookmark result. How many of you still remember how to do bookmark? Do you still remember how to do bookmark? Response.
Yes.
You still remember how to do a bookmark, to create a bookmark and name a
Yes.
bookmark. Right? Okay, so in this case, okay, on the last page, I'll click on Control N, go to the last page. Bookmark the heading World Class Key. So, bookmark, and then this particular bookmark, I'll name as result. That's what it says there. So, then I'll click on Add. So, if I go up, I put it to this bookmark, and click on this particular bookmark, and just say go to. It takes me here. So you know that you've actually done the right thing. Mark completed. If you have any question, let me know. Okay. Now, this is tax 2. Immediately below the heading table of content. What is table of content? So most times, if you have pages, you can come here under the home tab and under the find, you can find some. This will open, this page will open, go to pages. Most times you can quickly navigate. When you quickly navigate, you can see that this page is talking about table of content. So that then immediately below the heading table of content, below the heading, insert a custom table of content. It's placed in the formal format
I can't hear you.
that is placed. What about now? The
So
same
yes, I can
thing.
hear you.
Okay. So immediately after this, we want to display a table of content. I might know what a table of content is. So that table of content is to be displayed in a formal format. And that table of content will display these things. I'm going to show you how. If you don't know how, I'm going to show you how. Display only the following styles. If you carry the following styles at the associated level. So we have caption to be number 4, heading 1 to be 2, heading 3, 2 to be 3, the title to be 1. I'll show you how now. So immediately on that table of content, I'll go to reference head and table of content. Use some other like citation. I'll go to table of content. Now customize my own. I'll click on custom table of content. So they said the style should be title to be 1, heading 1 to be 2. Okay, I'll just go to this place. And don't forget, display in the formal format. So it means this place here, the format change to formal, format, format here. Formal format that is only the following. Now we've done with format. I want to go to the style, style. They are treated like. The title is number 1. I'll just go to this option and make my title to be number 1. Now they didn't say cover title. Cover title is number 1, but that's not what they tell you. So I will click move it. I'll just remove that. and continue. Okay, continue. Yeah, I think I'll continue with header, but they are displayed alphabetically. Okay, that one is supposed to be two. Header one is supposed to be two. Header two is supposed to be three. So header one to be two. I'll remove this and put three. Header two to be three. I'll remove this and put three. They didn't mention header three at all, so I'll remove it completely. And then when I remove it, you can see that that matches. Now the next one I was supposed to do is type two. Type two is at T. If I can get to T, I will see type two. Now this is type two. Type two should be number one. I'll put number one. And then I'll click on OK. So now you can see title is there, heading one is there, heading two is there. Oh, there's one last thing I didn't do. Caption number four. So I will still go to options and go to caption. Caption is here, number four. Click on four. And then I'll click on OK. Title, heading one, heading two, and then the caption. Now I can click on OK again. Yeah. Click on OK, and then everything is set. Now my table of content has that the title one, I mean heading one, this is heading two, heading one, heading two, this is the caption. The caption is heading one also. Okay. So that's how you do that. That's how you do this question. Hope you get this. I hope you get this. I hope you get this. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Huh? What did you say? Okay. Let me move on. Tax 3. Tax 3. On the bottom of the last page, let me just quickly go to control end. This is the bottom of the last page. Control end. Create a table from the text. Which text? Result name. Oh, this is from result name to the end of the document. From this result to the end of this document, I should create a table out of this. Create the table with 5 columns with an automatic fixed column width separated by tabs. This is the first one. Then I say I should apply the grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. All right. So the first thing is to create a table from this result name to the end of the document. I'll just highlight this. I'll highlight all of this. I'll highlight all of this. I'll come to insert, click on this, go to insert table to bring this for me. It's supposed to bring number of columns I want. I don't know why I didn't bring that for me. Oh, okay. Let me go back. I'm supposed to click on convert text to table. Then I'll click on the number of columns I want. I want 5 columns. The rows is already fixed. It already knows number of columns. Now, automatic column width. Said automatic fixed column width. This is already on auto. Fixed column width already on automatic. So good. Separated by tabs. The tabs is there. It's already clicked. And then that will be okay. The next thing to do is to apply the grid table 5 dark accent 1. So I have to apply this particular style to this. Remember when I said that? Someone said something?
Yes.
Yeah? Remember when I said when you click on an object, there will be like 1 or 2 tabs that will appear. When I click outside of this table, those 2 tabs are no longer there. But when I click on this table, the 2 tabs will be here. Now I'm told to apply a style. Now it's a property that I need to change regarding this table. I'll just go to table design. You can click on this drop down or this one here to bring many things. So they say grid table. This is grid table. I'll go to grid table. Grid table 5. Apply grid table 5 dark accent 1. Grid table 5. This is grid 1 table 5. I said dark. Let's see, it is part of dark. Grid table 5. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grid table 5 dark. Let's see accent 1. Good. This is grid table 5 dark accent 1. I'll click on it and then apply it to my table. My table is looking different now. The table is looking different now. Good. We're done with tax 3. Moving to tax 4. Okay, in the sidebar on page 3. In the sidebar on page 3. This is, I can quickly go to the page 3 here. Wait, this one is 1, 2, 1, 2. This is page 3. On the sidebar, on page 3, change the bullet of the ski results. Okay, the sidebar. Look at this. Look at this. So change this bullet of this ski results. These are bullets here. They're in a different format now. I want to change this list to a square, solid square to match the other list. Solid square. So I'll just click on the bullet like I've already done. Come to my home. Come to on this drop down. Come to this drop down. And I'll look for the square, solid square. This is a solid square. Solid square bullet. So I'll click on it. And then that'll be all. List the solid square to match the other list. Good. I've done that. And that is complete. That is completed. That's completed. I think my time is wrong here. What was the time on your laptop? Someone should tell me the time.
11:06.
11.
Oh, 11:06. Let me finish this task and we'll continue tomorrow. All right, so tomorrow, what I want to start. Okay, don't worry. We'll continue tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow and I'll ensure that we'll finish this project tomorrow so that we can move on to another one because the exam is close by next week. Task 5. Resolve the comment on the last page. The last page. Control N, the last place. It's a comment. So you just scroll and search for a comment. Oh, there's a comment here. There's a comment here. There's a comment here. So what do I do to get to this comment? I can just press my side arrow. It's not going to the side arrow. I can just click on this. This geometric stuff is not making me scroll that end. I can click on it. When I click on it, I can go to review. I can go to view comment. I can click on it again and I can click on resolve. So resolve the comment on the last page. I can click on this. Resolve. And then I've resolved the comment. That is, if someone should write a comment about something on my document, when I've resolved the issue about that comment, I can click on resolve again. That's what that thing is for. So after doing that, I can click on mark, and then I'm done with this. Again, I'll click on create project. And then Okay, everything is correct. Good. So I'll click on next, and we are moving to project 5. However, I'll continue this tomorrow. Okay. Just fix your mind on this. Tomorrow we are going to ensure that we complete this tomorrow. We're going to move quickly and then move to the next thing. Okay. That'll be all for today. I'll be all for today. I'll be all for today. You guys, I'm sure you continue to practice and then we'll meet tomorrow. All right. Bye bye and take care.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon to um my lovely
Bye.
Excel perspective MOS MOS perspective football relies on. Those that will take the MOS, so you guys are like perspective. By next week Monday or Tuesday, yes. Next week Monday or Tuesday, you write in this exam. All right. Welcome again to another class. It's not a class for the past 2 days. Yeah, because of other things we're doing at school. So let me ask you guys how far you've done on your own, practicing on your own. How far you've gone. I think even before we didn't have that class. Omokaya, yeah. I've not seen you for some days. Apart from those 2 days we have class. Are you here?
Yes.
Okay, why I've not been in class?
I
Then
kept
issue. You kept what?
sleeping in.
Kept sleeping in. Okay. So on your own, what have you done? Where have you gotten to? What's your highest score so far?
Still, still the 542.
That was the last score you told me about now. Wait, it means you've not actually practiced all this
I
while.
have.
Exam practice 1.
Mm-hmm.
I think it should be above that right now. If you're actively will practice. Because the last time you told me, the first one you did, you got 200. And then the next one after that was 500, which was a massive improvement. So if you practice another time, I believe you have gotten more than that. If you train down, then take care of yourself. I think you have gotten more than that. Okay. So you need to put in more training regarding this. Okay. All right. So good
Okay.
good morning to everybody. Let's proceed before we started. I well Victoria, I hope you are practicing. Victoria, hope you're practicing. Victoria, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. I hope you're practicing highest score so far right now. What's your highest score?
Sir,
What is your highest score based on your recent practice? What's the highest score based on your recent practice? Don't know your highest score.
sir, I've not been able to use geometrics for a while because I normally do it on my sister's laptop, but they took it to fix it. So,
I thought you said you have an Hmm? I thought you said you have another laptop.
Yes, I have my own, but I've already logged in my sister's own. So she said I should be using a laptop, but then they need to fix some of the keys on the keyboard.
So she's what?
So she said I should be using a laptop whenever I'm doing geometry, but they took a laptop for fixing, so I can only just attend the meeting.
No, I told you the last time that you can still use it on your own system. All you need to do is to download the metrics on your own laptop and log in with our email, right? We just tell you your our password. You log in using our email. That's what you use for geometry. You don't have to wait for them to fix the laptop. This exam is next week, though, and you need all of
I
the
cannot
practice
hear
you
what
can
you're
do.
saying.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
I said you don't need to wait for the laptop to be returned to you before you begin practice again or before you resume practice. What you need to do is to log in Star's email. Is you download the geometrics and log into your with your sister's email. You will just ask her for your password and do the normal thing you do with her. The normal thing you do on a laptop, you do it on your laptop. It's as simple as that. I said next week is the practice, so you can't afford to lose any time at all. Okay, next week is the exam. So ensure you do that today. Download the laptop. Yeah, thank you, Damlola. Download the laptop. Sorry, I said download the laptop. Download the Geometrics app and do what you need to do. Okay. Um, Virtue, what about you? Virtue, what about you? Are you here? Yes, of course. Now, you're writing the exam
So
now.
you're
What do you think?
breaking. When are we writing the
Am I still? Is
exam?
this still breaking now?
When? No, it's better.
I said, of course, we're
Are
going
you
to write the
still
exam now. That's what we're doing.
When? When? Like what dates?
He said next week.
Next
Next week.
next week.
Mm.
Day.
So
Next
like
week,
what
Monday
day?
or
Like do you have a
Tuesday.
particular day?
Next week, Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, in fact, next week, I think it's going to be next week, Tuesday. Do you understand? Next week, Tuesday.
Okay, so are we writing it in school?
Yes, yes.
In our school uniform?
Yes. You will have resumed now.
So are we going to use our geometrics
Yes.
for that?
Are we bringing our own laptop?
Yes. You'll be bringing your laptop, you'll be geometrics, and yes. The geometrics won't be this same thing that you're doing now. There is a new set of questions that they'll give you from the company. I mean, from Certiport itself. Certiport is like is the uh, is the one handling all the certification things. So the exam is coming through them, and then when you pass the exam or you scale up way high, you will be given the certification, and you'll be certified, and then you will also be called for the competition. If your score is among the top scores, then you'll be called for the national, you'll be called invited to the national finals for the national competition.
I like, what if our scores are not like top scores? Like, are we going to be rewarded from the school or something?
If your score is not up to that, right now I don't have information of whether you'll be rewarded or something, but I know that for those that go for national competition that don't eventually win, then the school will do something for them. For those that don't get invited to the national competition, I don't have information on that currently. However, you're going to pass. If you don't get invited, but you pass, get 700 and above, you'll be given your certificate, and then of course you'll be recognized in the school and all that. But I don't have any other information on whether the school is going to do beyond that. But you can look beyond just passing. And that's why we're doing daily practice now. If you have been doing it consistently, then you should be ready for getting top score. Okay? I hope you guys understand that. If you had any challenge or understanding this before. You understand now? Okay. Okay, so I was asking Virtue, I said, what is your current score? What have you gotten so far? Highest score you've gotten so far? The geometrics practice. Are you here? We don't have time, oh, please. Be fast. Okay, let's move to someone else. Fife. Okay, I know Fife has been very consistent. Fife, what's your score so far? Your highest score so far?
I think
You think what?
725.
Okay, 725. Good, good. Not bad. Good, good. Very good. Okay, so you can build on that. Okay. I bet some of those questions that probably are letting you down and not make you get 1,000. So we can actually look at some of those questions and you will see how they are being done, because it's actually possible to get 1,000. Okay, very good. Emmanuel Adit Louis, what about you?
Sir?
Yes. What's your progress so far? What's your progress so far? What's your highest score so far? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me now. Or you have not been practicing?
I've not been practicing.
You've not been practicing.
Yes, sir. My laptop was
Why?
somewhere else. I wasn't with my laptop.
Where is your laptop? Why? What's going on?
Yes, sir.
Tell your parents about this. This competition is very important. It's very important to pass. Like to pass is very, very go to the competition also. Very like important. So if you don't practice, how will you pass the exam? Talk more um, going for the competition. Okay, so you need to do something about that. You understand? What's the issue with the laptop?
answer nothing, but it was just not with me.
Damilola, what about you?
Like, sir, is it testing or training?
Testing.
Testing? So I can't hear you. You are breaking.
Yes.
Testing.
Yes, testing.
Oh. So I've only done one testing.
Oh,
I got 600.
600.
Mm.
Yes,
What?
for the past 2 days, you've not tested or trained yourself at all.
I've trained myself. I've trained myself and tested myself. The last time I trained, I got 800, and the last time I tested, I got 600.
Okay. All right. There needs to be improvement on that. Okay. Where did we stop the last time? Let's just move.
Task 3.
3. Project 3.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, open your Geometrics app and follow me. I'll try to be fast because because you still have the privilege of getting this recording, and then you go over it again and then follow the recording again, and with your
Where can we
Geometrics
get
and
the recording?
They send
the,
it.
the recording is sent to the parents group. It's your parents that will give you that. You just ask them. As long as they are on MOS parents group, the recording will be there. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can just ask. All right. Now you might see the recording might be long, but everything is not for you, so that you don't get scared about it. The recording includes that of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Just keep and scroll to the side that concerns you. For example, Excel is what concerns you. So if you see it starts with Word, skip until you see the beginning of Excel. And then when you're done, when the recording stops when Excel stops, then you don't need to watch that of PowerPoint. Don't want to watch that of PowerPoint. Okay. The recording might be long, but that's where it concerns. Keep to the part that concerns you. Okay, so let's begin with this. Let's begin with this. Tax 3. Okay, the overview. I hope you guys can hear me and then you are following me.
But sir, when I open my geometry, I'll be in task 1. Not in
Just
3.
can skip it. You can click on Great Projects and click on Next so that I can go to where I am. Or you can just watch what I'm doing, and then later, as you're watching the recording, you can follow. That can also work. You can watch what I'm doing right now and don't follow. And when you get the recording, you can watch and then follow at the same time. You can even go back. Recording is a way that you can even go back if you don't really get it. Keep back and all that. Okay. Because I want to be fast a bit. I want us to finish this on time. We still have a lot to do. Okay. So this starts with project 3 tax one. Tax one. The overview is a shop you manage sells custom flavored taffy. You are tracking cost profits of each flavor and summarizing the information in a workbook. So this is the overview of what you're doing. So every task that you do here is to do this, is to complete this. So task one, simultaneously replace all occurrences of the word choco with chocolate in the workbook. Everywhere you see choco, replace with chocolate. So how do we do that? You can just click on Control H, Control H, and then you go to find, right? So Control H is the shortest cut. Yeah.
Control A or Control A?
I do that. Okay. Okay, find. Or if you don't want to press Control H is a very shortcut to do that. That's a very short way to do that. You can click on Find and select here on the Home tab. Find and select, and click on Find. Okay. But because of time, when you're writing exam, that's why some of these shortcuts are good. Control H, what am I looking for? Choco. I'm looking for choco. What am I to replace it with? I'm replacing it with chocolate. And then I can click on Find All. So it will bring all these things to me. That some of the things we found, choco, the word choco is there. So I can click on Replace All. And then it has replaced them all. So now it's chocolate. Chocolate. Now I can click on this and move on. Now you can see this is your chocolate here. Chocolate here, chocolate here. Okay? That's how you do tax one. Moving on to tax two. If there's any points you need my attention, please call my attention to it. The cost repeat the rules containing the colon logo and colon so they appear on all things. Because when I'm printing, there might be because it's a bit long, right? So it might not print on one page. It might print on two pages. Look at this. I'll go to print. When I click on my print, but I have like 6 pages. Okay, wait. I want to see if I'm on the cost worksheet. One of the things you need to go. Okay, I was not on the cost worksheet. Wait. Oh, I think we made a mistake here. There's a mistake here.
Yes, I did.
What did you say? There's a mistake here because
I
it
said,
said
yeah, that you made a mistake.
yes, made a mistake. Simultaneously replace all occurrences of the word choco with chocolate workbook. So in the workbook, not in a particular worksheet. So I only did for this. I didn't do for this.
No wonder I always feel that question.
So there's choco. Yeah, there's choco. And everything is supposed to be. So you can see now that I omitted one instruction. And that's why sometimes you might not get it right. You might not like, oh, you might be looking at it and saying, but I did that thing correctly. Instructions need to be followed strictly. So let me go back here now. I'll click on find and select. I'll click on find. Okay. Options here. I can click on within workbook. So you just click on within workbook. But instead of profit sheet, I can let it change for every other sheet on this workbook. Okay, so now I can do workbook, but because I've already changed chocolate here, so I don't need to do workbook again. If I had not changed it to chocolate here, then I would do workbook to affect cost sheets and profit sheet. But now that I've changed for profit sheet, let me do for those cost sheet now. I'll just do sheet, and then I say find choco, find all. When that's found all, can come to replace here. We put chocolate. Chocolate is already there. I say within sheet all, and then click on replace all. Now that's changed from choco to changed to chocolate. Now we're done with that. Oh, I hope that is clear. Now the next task is on the cost worksheet, repeat the rows containing the company logo and column logo so that they appear on all pages. What they are saying is that this, look at 5. They want that logo to appear on all pages because when I want to print normally, when I go to print, I will not have just one page. I will have one or two pages. Look at when I go to the second page. I can't see the Taffy Shop logo here. I can only see it on the first one, Taffy Shop flavor cost per round. So I want it to be that, okay, even when I want to print and I have a second page, this Taffy Shop will still be here. So how do I do that? I will just come here. I will go to my insert tab, no, page layout. All right, I'll go to print titles, right? Print titles. I will go to this place, print area, which one I want the is as I like to show in other pages. I'll click on this, or I'll click on this arrow. Let me click on this arrow. So I will highlight all the parts I want to show on the second page. All these places, we're not able to do anything there. So I'll just click on OK. When I click on OK, when I check my print again, what's going on? Okay, there's something here. Report it. It should be get area. Area. Action sheets. Okay. Now I have 3 pages. So Taffy Shop will show here also. As not showing. There's something wrong with this. We change the landscape. Okay, let me go back and do it again. Print titles, print area. Sorry, I clicked on print area. Please, I hope you're following me. It's not print area. This is where I made a mistake. Rows to repeat at top. Look at this. Rows to repeat at top. That's what I'm supposed to click on. Are you guys here? Are you guys here? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I was doing this and nobody corrected me. Or is it
I
that no
don't
one has gotten it?
said wait
You don't know
where are
it?
you?
You can't see my screen. You cannot see my screen. Can you see my screen?
So I can see your screen.
So I was clicking on this. I was doing print area. It was wrong. I'm supposed to look
Oh.
at repeat rows at top because I want these rows, this particular rows, to repeat at the top of every page. All the pages I want to print, let this continually repeat there. So that's what I'm doing. But I made a mistake and I was doing this. So I'm click on this place and do this, and then click here, press OK. Now in my print, when I go to my print, when I click on the second page, you can see Taffy Shop is showing now. Taffy Shop is showing now. So we've done the correct thing. Let's move on to the next step. Let's move on to the next step. So they appear on all printed pages. Next step is 3. Okay, so let me come here. Be sure that everyone is following, even if you're not doing it correctly, as long as you're following it later. Damilola, are you following me? Just be fast with your response. Damilola, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Emmanuel, are you following me? Be fast, guys. Be fast. We don't have time. I just want to show you here. Emmanuel, are you following me? Ife, are you here? Are you following me? Can't you guys hear me? Omokaya, are you following me?
Yes.
Okay, Victoria, are you here? Victoria, are you here? Virtue, are you here?
Yes,
Okay. If you have any question at any point, please let me know. Victoria, I know Victoria and Emmanuel now. They're not here. I don't know why. Okay. Let's go back to what we're doing. I hope you are following me. You are doing it together with me. Or at least you will do it later when I send the record.
Mommy, I'll do my own later.
Okay. All right, so we're done with this part. Tax 3. Tax 3. Simultaneously apply the number format to columns B through E on this cost worksheet. Columns B through E. This is column B, and this is column E. So it means I must highlight all of them together. All I did was just click on this and drag to E. I'm to apply the number format. The number format is on the Home tab, where you see this general. I'm going to click. Oh, wait, first of all, I think I'm making a mistake. First of all, simultaneously apply the number format on the cost worksheet. So am I on the cost worksheet? Yes. Okay. Just to confirm that. All right. So this, I go to the general format. That place where you can change format. I'll go to number. You can see currency there. You can see accounting. If you want to change it to normal currency, I click on currency and I change to dollars. You can click on. You can change the dollars now to euro, China's yen, more accounting formats, symbols like where is Naira now? I think they've not used Naira on this keyboard sometime. Oh, there's Naira here. So I can click on Naira if I want to. It's changing to Naira now. Okay, but I'm not looking at accounting, I'm looking at numbers. Click on number. And then these zeros, if they say, oh, change to 3 decimal places, these are the things that you can use. I can use this to increase the number of decimals. I can use this to reduce the number of decimals. Can you see that? So that's how you do that. I've applied it across B to E, and that's what I was supposed to do in tax 3. Tax 4. Modify the chart on the profits worksheet so the flavors are displayed as horizontal axis label. So on the profit worksheet, let me go there immediately. Profit worksheet. On the chart, there's a chart here. I was told to switch these flavors are displayed as horizontal axis label so that expense and incomes are the legend series. So on this chart, what we have is that this expense and income, they are actually on the horizontal, they are the ones on the horizontal axis label, XY, I mean X axis. They are the ones on the horizontal axis label. But they want this one that is the legend. The legend here are the other numbers or the colors that are used to represent all the other charts. But they want this flavor to be on the axis label, and then this expense and income to be the legend. So what do? We'll swap. I'll just click on the chart. Click on the chart. There will be 2 additional tabs. Click on chart design. When I click on chart design, I can click switch row/column. I can click on switch row/column. When I click on that, now the flavor has changed to this. Flavor has changed to this, and the expense and income has become the legend. The expense and income here has become the column. Expense, income, expense, income, like that, like that, like that. So that's what it said we should do here. That's what it said we should do here, and that's what we've done. Let's click on the chart. Now, if I click outside of this chart, those 2 additional tabs are gone. But when I click on it, the 2 additional tabs are here. And on those 2 additional tabs, I can change different properties of these charts. Moving on to tax 4, to tax 5. Modify the chart on the profits worksheet. So, yeah.
Sir, sir, you're breaking. So nobody can see or hear what you are saying. What you mean? Sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Um,
Where did he go to?
maybe internet. There's
I don't know
always
now.
hobby.
No, I think he left. He left, yeah.
Yeah.
His Wi-Fi is bad.
As always.
How do you know? You think we should leave?
He may come back for those PowerPoint people.
Imagine school resuming on 27th of April. Chad.
And while doing these exams,
I know the song. Let's wait until it's 12 o'clock. At least class would have ended. So
okay.
Okay. So just wait.
Hello. Hello. Please tell us.
Sir,
Hello.
good thing we stayed.
I feel the same thing. Hello, is this better now? Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
still the same thing?
yeah.
Still the
Sure.
same. Can I move on? Can I move on, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on this one, we're told to modify the charts on the profit worksheet. So the legends appear at the top. What is the legend? This is the legend. Expense and income. Expense and income is the legend. Come. Expense and income are the two legends. So how do I change it to be here at the top? I'll just click on the chart. Now look at this side tabs or side. I'll click on this legend, this arrow, and then I'll click on what I want to, where I want my legend to be. Right, top, left, bottom. If I click on left, the legend is going to come here. If I click on right, the legend is going to be here by my legend now. Like click on the top, it's going to go up. Yeah, so that's how we do that. And that's for tax 5. That's for tax 5. Okay, so we're done with this. Let me create a project. When I'm,
Sure.
when I'm done with the class, I'll come. You can resume this one. Yeah. It's training now. Yeah, you can just do that there. All right, sorry, project 4. My time is not correct here. Let me. What's the time over there? Please? What's your time?
12. 12. Oh, 12 p.m.
Already.
Twelve p.m. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. 12
Should we tomorrow? Should we please vote?
Mm.
Let me see, please. Yeah.
See?
Guys, if you can hear me, we'll finish
Yes,
tomorrow. I think this
tomorrow.
network issues. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, I did.
Hello, did you hear me?
He said tomorrow.
Okay. I said we should continue tomorrow. This network is really bad. Probably we'll find a solution to it tomorrow. Let's continue tomorrow. However, please, those ones that you get wrong, so that you can always refer me to them. That's fine and clear.
Bye, guys.
I mind.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.